but the beach is just behind us. And there's Dave, there's us. And tomorrow, were you just doing a little...
I was just saying cheers. I'm drinking a blonde model, first over everything.
And tomorrow we're going to go whale watching, which is very exciting. Isn't it exciting, babe? I'm really excited.
Whose whale is that?
So we're going to go out and enjoy a night on the town and car boat by the sounds of it.
Bikini bar.
We're going to go to the bikini bar.
Leave your bikini on, babe.
I don't think I can wear this bikini for much longer.
Take it off then.
We'll see you all tomorrow.
Just another average night in Mexico.
It's time for
Watching the whales.
whale watching.
Not going to Wales, just watching Wales.
Dave's with us.
Hey.
I don't have to say hi Dave anymore. We're waiting to be picked up, and then we're going for, it should be like a 2-hour boat tour, and it's on like a rib. Very exciting. I hope it's just as good as the one we did in Portugal to see the dolphins. Big bus going by. So we've come to this hotel to get picked up, so fingers crossed they find us.
Pelican Rock, second one, Lover Trees, and the third one is going to be in the...
Is that your boat, babe?
So we're going to take some pictures around the area, and then we're going to see the whales around, okay? The whale we're going to see right now, number 80% of them.
Right now, everybody, we did made it to the famous arch, Cabo San Lucas. Family, want a picture?
Boats and hoes.
Yeah! Let's go find a post-whale trip, we decided to come to a fancy restaurant. Did you say it was fancy? So this is a beautiful view that we've got while we have a little romantic dinner on the beach.
It's only a 5-star resort, folks.
We're only parked in the car park just there.
They'll never know.
So yeah, we'll come out for dinner, just us. Just me and him. The whale watching was...
Great success.
How
It was
many
really cool,
whales?
wasn't it?
We actually just stayed with the same pod most of the time, didn't we?
Yeah, there was no need to go anywhere else. So
No. And there was like
no, you know.
a mum, the baby, and it's like helper, Nan. Dwayne's just gonna shuffle over to me.
It was pointless. No one wants to see me on the cam and just talk to me, do they? Like it's like you're interviewing me how the day was.
Yeah, it was.
Nobody cares what I say.
True. It was amazing. The whales were so close to the boat. They swam towards us. We went at the front of the boat, so we didn't get the shot very good of the tail.
Well, Shamak is watching. He never does. I don't think he does. But he does.
think he does.
Songs for you.
So yeah, the tail like came up like right in front
And they
of the
did that.
boat. Yeah, it was
It was
amazing.
incredible.
So it was a mum, a baby, and then they say like the other whale is like a more mature whale that knows how to have a baby basically and is supporting the mum.
But anyway,
yeah.
that's enough of filming. We're at a 5-star resort.
So we're gonna go enjoy ourselves.
Tonight we're having a bit of mushroom risotto. What have you got, guys? Enjoy. Still got a little room left for a filet mignon. Ooh la la. Just in case you're wondering, of course we got dessert.
Because we haven't had desserts in ages.
Cheesecake. And she asks for a bit of my stick.
In Mexico, they don't often do desserts.
Churros.